So now we're sizing this piece, and I already closed the trunk to make sure this doesn't hit up against anything. And we're going to put this piece in just a second. Go. All done. Okay, now for the top. Installing these small D-rings so I can hook it up here and it won't come down. Now I'm also going to install a couple more over here so it holds this up and attached to that corner up here and on that side as well, just for more stability, but we're going to work on that later on. That's pretty much the build. I'm going to finish up the back of this in just a second. That's pretty much the kitchen build. So I measured this earlier and made sure it was in the center. And now I'm drilling on the base plate. Well, I'm screwing on the base plate so that we can attach it to all the other parts that I have set up. There we go. Show you what I added here. We added this. Now we have a table that we can eat off of if we need to. This is done for now. I'll probably replace these with metal chain. That same table also fits here. So if I need more room, I have cooking space, prep space, and this space as well. I might put a sink in here, drill a hole for a sink, but I'm not sure yet. That's kind of where we are now in the current build. That just slides right off.